Mastering Idioms, Go Down a Storm. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, go down a storm. This idiom is a fantastic example of how colorful and vivid English expressions can be. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, usage, and origins. Go down a storm is an idiom used to describe something that is received very enthusiastically and is extremely popular or successful. For example, if a comedian's performance is described as having gone down a storm, it means the audience loved it and responded with great enthusiasm. The phrase, go down a storm, has its roots in British English. It combines the words, go down, meaning to be received, or to happen, with a storm, which is often associated with intensity and power. Together, they convey the idea of something making a strong, positive impact. Let's see some examples to understand it better. 1. Her new book went down a storm with young readers. 2. The new policy went down a storm with the employees. In these examples, the phrase is used to show that the book and the policy were very well received and popular among their respective audiences. While go down a storm is the most common form, variations like went down a storm or going down a storm are often used depending on the tense. The meaning remains the same across these variations. When using this idiom, remember, it's generally used in more informal contexts. Ensure that the context implies a positive reception. It's mainly used in British English but understood widely. And that's a wrap on Go Down a Storm. We hope this video has shed light on this colorful idiom and you can now use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, exploring idioms is a great way to add flavor to your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.